Hey guys, my name is Nash Lynch, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can integrate conversational voice AI into your Go High Level or any sort of CRM that you're using so that it can be integrated within your sales funnel. So I have a basic test workflow folder here. And as you can see, lead form submitted. I'm going to go straight into this. So assuming that you are getting your leads through a Facebook lead form or whatever sort of way you're getting your leads, it doesn't matter because you'll be able to do this. So once they come in here, it'll create and update their opportunity and it'll move them in a pipeline saying that they submitted the form. Then it will go to this webhook. What is this webhook going to do? This webhook is going to send a signal out to Nova Echo AI, which is a conversational voice AI that I recommend you to use. And once it sends out this webhook, it is going to call the prospect. So you can set that caller up however you want. I have a video showing how to prompt these AIs. You can check that out if you want as well. But once it calls the person, it will also send them a text message, and then we have a wait function. It's going to wait 8 minutes. This is just in case the call continues for longer, but I highly recommend you put at least 5-minute wait time. So then we're going to have a condition. It's going to read the AI transcript, and if it is not empty, that means they obviously picked up. So we're going to move them into this picked up pipeline. And if the AI transcript is empty, we're going to move them into this no pickup pipeline. So if they picked up, we're automatically going to move them into call answered, and then they're going to get put into a different workflow. But before I get into that, I want to put, if they did not pick up, we're going to wait 1 hour, and then we're going to call them again with the same AI. And then we're going to wait another 8 minutes. Condition, did they pick up or not? If they picked up, they'll be put in the other workflow. And if they didn't pick up, they'll be put into the follow-up stage. So I'm going to get into the follow-up stage and the call answered stage right now. So we're going to go back to workflows. We're going to go to, let's do follow-up first. So assuming that the person doesn't pick up, as you can see, there's nothing here. Once the pipeline stage changes and goes to follow-up, you can customize the follow-up however you want. I'd recommend you call them every single day, just like call, SMS, all of that every single day to follow up. And you can just add that you add webhook, you add a wait function, or you add a webhook like I showed in the previous section. And then you just add a if else. If the AI transcript is empty, that means they didn't answer. So you move them to did not answer. And if the AI transcript is not empty, that means they answered. So you move them into answered. But you can customize this follow-up however you want. I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you what I'd recommend you do to figure out if they booked an appointment. Nova Echo actually has a appointment booking where it'll auto book over the phone. So if the AI says, are you available at 2 p.m. this weekend? Or are you available at 2 p.m. this Friday? And the person says yes, it'll automatically book in that time to your calendar with all their information. But if you want to go in the system and just check in, see who booked an appointment, see who didn't, we have it here so that once they're moved into the answered stage, we have ChatGPT read the transcript. As you can see here, it says, please read this transcript. And then we put the transcript custom value in there. I need you to figure out if the AI booked an appointment with the prospect. If the AI booked an appointment, then you must only say the word booked and nothing else besides the word booked. If you say anything else besides the word booked, you will die. This is telling the AI, like, don't message me anything except the word booked if the appointment was booked. This is very important that you put this here. And then we have the same thing for if the AI did not book an appointment, then you must only say the word not and nothing else besides the word not. If you say anything else besides the word not, you will die. We're going to save this action. And then what's going to happen is we're going to do a condition here. If they booked an appointment, the ChatGPT response should just be the word booked. So we're going to put ChatGPT is booked. If they didn't book, ChatGPT is not. Because the ChatGPT response is only going to be one word because we specified that it must answer with this one word if this is the situation. So if they booked, we'll move them into appointment booked. You can add a tag. You can send a follow-up message, whatever you want. And if they didn't book, you can throw them in the follow-up stage again. So it just keeps following up with them. But with that being said, that's how you can integrate this AI into your sales funnel. If you want to hear what the AI actually sounds like, I did a live test. You can check that out in the top right corner. And if you want something like this built out for your business, I'll come in, I'll build out all the workflows for you. I'll build out the agent for you. Just book a call with the first link in the description and we can talk about that. Have a great rest of your day.